Hello everyone, Namaste. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I Indrani Bhattacharya welcome you all. Today I am going to talk about an interesting innovative idea compiled by Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative, that is ZIIEI. In this video, I am going to talk about homework which will be done through experiential learning from surrounding. The innovation here is to connect the topic taught in school with the immediate environment through observation and hands-on experience with the help of parents and guardian. The chapter taken here is from class 3, chapter 11, The Jungle. And the time duration for the implementation of this idea is 20 minutes. Now the implementation of this innovation process is that the concept covered here is forming a simple sentence with proper noun using demonstrative words these, those with pictures. The teacher will use homework to revise the concept of forming simple sentence with proper noun using demonstrative words these, those with pictures. Now the activity is that to revise the concept of forming simple sentence with proper noun using demonstrative words these, those with pictures. To conduct the activity, the following steps taken are that students needs to seek help from their parents while performing the activity. This will develop their interpersonal skills. Now, instruct the students to make a list of objects that they observe in their house. And they have to construct simple sentence using those objects which are present in their house with the help of the demonstrative word these. Now they have to visit their relative or neighbors and they have to list some objects there also, and then they have to frame simple sentence using those objects in their neighbors or a relative's house and by using demonstrative words those. Now they have to record their observation in a tabular form. In that tabular form, the first column is name of the object and the second column is sentences. For example, the object that they have observed in their house is table. So they will write table under the column name of the object and they will frame sentence like these are tables. In the same way, suppose they have observed chairs in the neighbor's house. So they will write the name of that object under the column name of the object and they will frame a sentence with the help of demonstrative word those, like those are chairs. In the same way, they have to perform this activity with all the objects that they have observed in their house as well as in their neighbor's house. During the development of this observation in tabular form, their critical thinking skill will be enhanced. Instruct them to express thanks to their parents while performing this activity. This will enhance the value of gratitude will be inculcated in them. When the next day, when they will come to school, the question is that which demonstrative word did you use to denote the object that belongs to your neighbor's house? The possible response will be those. In the same way, the next question you can ask that which demonstrative word did you use to denote the objects that belongs to your house? The possible response will be these. In this way, this whole activity will be conducted. Through this innovative idea implementation, the learning outcomes can be that the child is able to understand the simple instructions and statements spoken by the teachers. The child is able to read and write using this, that, these, those, and one and more. The child is able to make proper use of pronouns related to gender, he, she, it, they, and other demonstrative words like these, those. The child is able to use and practice English language structure. They will be able to read aloud with appropriate pronunciation, and pause. Children can use the words they have learned in small sentences. Children learn the key and are also able to use them in their speech and writing. Children are able to look up an answer and can write them down correctly. Now there is something that you need to be attentive, that homework should be experiential and hands-on. Being an experiential activity, primacy is given to the children's experience and their voice and their participation, which in turn strengthens the belief of NCF 2005. The duration of the implementation of this activity is based on the assumption that pupil-teachers ratio is constant, that is 30:1. The core life skill that is imparting while implementation of this activity is that the critical thinking ability and the interpersonal skills ability, which will be enhanced. The value that can be touched upon is gratitude, showing appreciation to the others, especially family members. The benefit of using this innovative idea for the children with special needs are that through self-exploring, students with poor cognitive ability can understand the concept, engaging their multiple senses. Experiential learning takes students from abstract world to the real world, making their learning long-lasting. It will help children with autism to develop concept about new places and things. For this activity to be beneficial, the educator will have to understand the sensitive areas of autistic students while taking them to the field. Hope you are liking this video. Please subscribe and share YouTube channel of ZIIEI. If you are watching this video in Facebook page of ZIIEI, please do like and share. Thank you.